Look at how creamy it is. See? Very, very creamy. This is how the restaurant does it.
Cooking up.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Chinese New Year is coming. Let's steam some chicken. And I'm going to steam chicken with some ginger paste. Now, if my daughter is not eating, I'll be steaming the chicken together with the ginger paste. But because my daughter will be eating, so I'm going to separate out the ginger paste. So the ginger paste will probably end up a little bit more like a dipping sauce. So you can be flexible as to how you want to create this dish. Yeah, it's your kitchen, your call. Yeah, there's no rules in Appa kitchen anyway. So first of all, I have half of free-range chicken here today with beautiful yellowish chicken fat. The meat is usually a little bit more chewy, and but it has stronger chicken flavor. Now later, this dish will also come with some very nice chicken broth, yeah, which is definitely my daughter's most favorite. So first of all, cut the chicken into chunks like this, okay? Then we are going to give it some seasoning. First of all, actually just very simple only. First of all, some wine. This will help to enhance flavor and also to remove the gaminess of the chicken, if any lah. Yeah. And then we're going to give it some fine salt. All right. I don't mind to give it a little bit of filtered water. This will add more chicken broth later. Yeah. Okay. And I'm going to put on top a few pieces of ginger to also further remove the flavor, the gaminess of the chicken, if any. And we shall send this to the steamer. After that, I'll show you how you can make a very simple but very flavorful ginger sauce easily at home. So first of all, preheat your steamer to at least 100 degrees Celsius and above. Then we put the chicken inside. Right. Close it and steam it for between 15 to 20 minutes. Let's take a look at the ingredient needed to make the ginger paste. Very simple. I have one small bowl of ginger paste here. How much you want to make really depends on you. If you want to pour over the chicken, probably you want to make a bit more. Yeah, just use a chopper or blender to blend out some ginger. Remove the skin. Yeah. Then we will need some spring onions. This is some fresh coriander. This fresh coriander is for garnishing only lah. Then I'm going to put in my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder for enhanced flavor. Those interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore or any Enviet restaurant, or any Enviet Vietnamese restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. I'll be putting a bit of the Shaoxing wine as well. Sorry, I'll be putting some of the white pepper as well. So first I'm going to give it some oil here. I'll be putting a little bit more oil today because I'm making a ginger paste, because I'm using it as a dipping sauce rather than steaming sauce. If you're making a dipping sauce, you put more oil. If you're making a steaming sauce, you put more water, okay? I don't mind putting in the ginger paste first. You don't really have to cook the ginger paste much, seriously. Look at it. It already have very beautiful flavor. Since I'll be making ginger paste dipping sauce instead, let me add a little bit more oil. Just use medium fire to do this, yeah? Medium temperature. Look at the beautiful consistency right now. The water just now has been evaporated, yeah? No need to be too hot. Let me adjust the angle again. Alright. Yep, better. Now we're just going to give it some seasoning. Let me tune down the fire. One small teaspoon of my cooking apart chicken stock powder, made out of 100% natural ingredient. Yeah. Going to give it a little bit of fine salt, a little bit of sugar, and a little bit of my premium Vietnamese fish sauce. Mix it. Almost done. Spring onion. Actually I don't need white pepper lah. Alright, done. Look at how creamy it becomes. I did not add water, yeah? If you want to steam the chicken with it, you add water. Actually, if you have extra of this tomorrow, the next day, you can actually even add some water and use it to steam fish. Or steam spirits. You can use it for a lot of other options, yeah? Let me try to get it out. Get a small saucer pan. Look at how creamy it is. See? Very, very creamy. This is how the restaurant does it. Beautiful ginger paste, dipping sauce. Alright, and all we need to do right now, I have some extra actually. I'll leave it for something else tomorrow. I'll probably add some water to it. Right, I heard the beep beep sound. The chicken has been steaming in my steamer for the past about 20 minutes. Let's carefully open it. Wow! Oh, it looks so beautiful. Let me show you. Can you see how beautiful it is? The beautiful broth, beautiful chicken, and the ginger. I'm going to take it out right now. Look at how beautiful the chicken is. First of all, let me remove the ginger. I should have cut the ginger into thin slices. Julienne it. Then I can eat the ginger also. But it's okay. We have ginger paste, ginger dipping sauce. Oh, look at the golden color of the chicken fat. Yeah, that is the nature sweetness. Not done yet. I'm going to put some fried onion on top. Sorry, fried garlic. I always say wrong things. And some fresh coriander. And of course, dipping sauce. Done.